Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Motorola G54. First open the Play Store and look for the Fax app. Choose the Use FAX, install it and open. Remember that you have your free kids banner to send your message for free. If you don't see it, restart your application after the first start. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, so just pick on the photo that you want to send and click on the import. Now you can adjust the shape to your document or the picture. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon, and now you can choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible for the receiver. If you're ready, click on the accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send this message just click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.